Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2024 Yamaha Wolverine. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2024 Yamaha Wolverine, with 2,405 miles, runs well. It comes equipped with reverse navigation, a multifunction 2-speaker audio system, and has been upgraded with seismic mirrors. Powered by a 999cc parallel twin engine, the Wolverine puts rugged power through an Ultramatic CVT transmission. It seats 4, has a 9.2-gallon fuel capacity, a 2,000-pound towing capacity, a 13.4-inch ground clearance, and a 2,050-pound wet weight. We measured this vehicle's charging output at 14 volts, the front left tire at 1830 seconds, the front right at 1730 seconds, and both rear tires are at 1730 seconds. We took this vehicle for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We posted the service repair order for this vehicle so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this vehicle's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are chips on the side covers and chips on the hood. This vehicle has 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This vehicle was been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.